Today, what is today? July 10th.
11th,
11th.
I believe.
We're doing a taste test on some ginger that Dagny canned 9 September 2019. Now we had a jar of this the other night and it was spectacular. So I'm going to let her open it up for you.
Pop.
And take out a piece and taste it.
There it is. Beautiful ginger. Oh, delicious. Wonderful. Rich. Nice little bit of pickle flavor, but the ginger flavor itself stands out.
Because you used a very mild solution, right? Do you remember it? Well, we're going to can some and I'll give you the solution.
Yeah.
Solution, ingredients.